Yamagata Prefecture is a prefecture of Japan located in the Tōhoku region on Honshu Island. Its capital is Yamagata. History: the Aboriginal Ezo people once inhabited the area now known as Yamagata. Yamagata and Akita Prefecture were known as Dewa Province until the Meiji Restoration. During the Heian period, the Fujiwara family ruled the area. Yamagata City flourished during the Edo period due to its status as a castle town and post station, famous for beni. In 1689, the famous haiku poet Matsuo Basho visited Yamagata during his 5-month trip to the northern regions of Japan. Geography: Yamagata Prefecture is located in the southwest corner of Tōhoku, facing the Sea of Japan. It borders Niigata Prefecture and Fukushima Prefecture on the south, Miyagi Prefecture on the east, and Akita Prefecture on the north. All of these boundaries are marked by mountains, with most of the population residing in a limited central plain. As of 1 April 2012, 17% of the total land area of the prefecture was designated as natural parks, namely the Bandai Asahi National Park, Chokai, Kurikoma, and Zayo Quasi National Parks, and 6 prefectural natural parks. Cities: 13 cities are located in Yamagata Prefecture. Towns and villages: these are the towns and villages in each district. Mergers. Climate: the climate of Yamagata Prefecture is characterized by long hot humid summers and long snowy winters. Both spring and autumn are short, the former often cold, the latter often warm, but both quite dry and sunny. Yamagata Prefecture, along with northern parts of Miyagi and Iwate, are the transition areas from humid subtropical climate to humid continental within the Japan mainland. Winter temperatures rarely fall below -10 degrees Celsius in populated areas. They frequently rise above 30 degrees Celsius in July and August. Precipitation falls all year round, and the remnants of one or perhaps two typhoons usually pass through between August and October. The winters see heavy snowfall, especially at higher elevations, though the Japan seacoast is milder and has more rain. Snowfall for Shinjo is typical of populated mountainous areas. Snowfall for Yamagata City typical of the valleys. The central mountains around Gasan may see as much as 3,000 centimeters of snow in a season, with depths up to 8 meters at higher elevations. Economy: fruit: Yamagata Prefecture is the largest producer of cherries and pears in Japan. A large quantity of other kinds of fruit such as grapes, apples, peaches, melons, persimmons and watermelons are also produced. Demographics: as of October 2012, Yamagata Prefecture had a population of 1,152,000. The prefecture also has one of the oldest populations in Japan. As of 2004, 12.8% of the population was aged between 65 and 74, and 12.1% was over 75. Over 40% of households in Yamagata contain one or more relatives aged 65 or over. Culture: festivals and events: Yamagata Prefecture has a number of annual festivals and events. The largest is the Hangasa Matsuri, which takes place in Yamagata City on the first weekend in August, when thousands of people perform the Hangasa dance in the city center and attracts up to 300,000 spectators. Yamagata City is the home of the biannual Yamagata International Documentary Film Festival in October. In February, a snow lantern festival is held in Yonizawa at the Usugi Shrine. Hundreds of candle-lit lanterns light pathways dug into the snow around the shrine. Yonizawa is also the site of the Usugi Festival in mid-spring. The festival's highlight is a reenactment of the Battle of Kawanakajima on the banks of the Matsukawa River. In September, Yamagata Prefecture is famous for its amoni, a potato stew popular in northern Japan during the autumn. Amonigai potato soup parties are very popular during this season, and many tourists come to Yamagata Prefecture specifically for its particular style of amoni art. Beginning in 2003, Yamagata city officials with the aid of Tōhoku University of Art and Design began a 3-year project in which the Buddhist art of the city's temples would be catalogued and compared to a set of guidelines in order to identify cultural assets. Quote, 190 temples have had the works of art examined and several significant examples of Buddhist sculpture have been discovered. At Hisenji Temple, in the Hiroshimizu district, a particularly rare statue, a seated Vairocana Buddha made from Zelkova wood, was found. Other significant works include sculptures from the Heian period and Kamakura period. The Yamagata Museum of Art, located in Yamagata City, was opened in 1964 through the efforts of a foundation led by Yoshio Hattori, the president of Yamagata Shimbun and Yamagata Broadcasting Co., Ltd. The permanent collection consists of 3 types of art: Japanese and Asian, regional, and French. Special exhibitions are held periodically. Language: Yamagata Prefecture is known for its local dialect Yamagata Ben, sometimes thought of as backwards sounding in other parts of Japan. The 2004 movie Swing Girls, co-written and directed by Shinobu Yaguchi, is set in Yamagata and makes use of Yamagata Ben for comedic purposes. Sports: the sports teams listed below are based in Yamagata. Football: Montedio Yamagata. Volleyball: Pioneer Red Wings. Transportation: airports: Yamagata Airport, Shonai Airport. Railways: tourism: the Temple of Yamadera, carved into the mountainside near the city of Yamagata, is a major attraction. The Dela-Sanzan of 3 holy mountains that form a traditional pilgrimage for followers of the Shugendo branch of Shinto. The famous Gorjudo is at the base of Mount Haguro, the lowest of the 3 mountains. Mount Zayo is a famous winter ski resort, also known for its snow monsters in the winter, and the Okama Crater Lake, also known as the Goshiki Numa because its color changes according to the weather. Media: newspapers: Yamagata Shimbun, Yonizawa Shimbun, Shonai Nippo, Okitama Times. TV and radio: YBC TV and radio, YTS-TV, TUY-TV, Say TV, Rhythm Station. Film: Yamagata International Documentary Film Festival.